Let's take a moment and talk Chaturanga, also known as low plank. Chaturanga can offer tremendous strength and stability to the physical body when done with proper alignment, and it may also lead to overuse injuries when performed improperly. The common fault I want to focus on today is the shoulder shrug, or loss of space in the neck. Take notice of the lack of space between the shoulders and ears as the body moves through low plank. This improper alignment will create poor movement patterns and put you on the fast track to a cranky neck and potential shoulder impingement. There is one specific point during the vinyasa that is found to be the main culprit of this shoulder shrug, and I call it the rock back. The rock back is when the shoulders move behind the wrists when stepping back from a halfway lift into low plank. This rock back disintegrates the body, taking you out of proper alignment and compressing the spine. And because we move quickly in a vinyasa class, it can be easy to create this as a poor movement pattern. Here is something you can do to promote proper alignment and optimal neck space. Practice flowing from forward fold to halfway lift. The forward fold and halfway lift are the two poses that come before Chaturanga, and it isn't by accident. The forward fold lengthens the hamstrings, allowing you greater access to a neutral pelvis. And a neutral pelvis is pivotal in creating a nice flat back during that halfway lift. And yes, your pelvis plays a role in preventing the shoulder shrug. In forward fold, focus on a soft bend behind your knees and tilt your sitting bones up towards the sky to lengthen the hamstrings where they attach to your pelvis. In halfway lift, bend your knees. A lot, I mean it. The knee bend will allow greater access to that nice flat back. Now it's time to put this all together. From halfway lift, bend your knees a lot. Plant your hands to the outsides of your baby toes with your pinky fingers off the edges of the mat and step back to low plank. Take notice of the shoulders remaining forward of the fingertips the entire time, and please note that wrist mobility will also come with time. The forward fold practice helps to make stepping back more accessible, and the halfway lift practice helps to keep your shoulder blades integrated on your back as you move through low plank. With practice, this will become more intuitive and fluid, supporting a healthy body and strong mind.